Hi, my name is Mary Moore, and today I will be talking about how to create, me, a metahuman. To create my digital self, first I needed a high-quality 3D scan. I used Polycam, a mobile app. Once I had my scan, I brought it into Blender for cleanup. Raw scans often contain unwanted geometry, so I had to refine the mesh to remove extra data. I was able to clean up my face scan and export it as an FBX file, ensuring that both the mesh and the materials were included. After adding the metahuman identity, I clicked on it, which opened a new window. This is where I imported my reference face scan. I then aligned and adjusted the face with the plane to ensure it matched the underlying structure. This tool automatically detects and places green tracking points across key facial landmarks such as eyes, nose, mouth, and jawline. These markers help Unreal Engine understand the structure of my face and create an accurate 3D representation. Once the tracking markers were properly adjusted, I clicked on Metahuman Identity Solve at the top of the interface. This process analyzes the placement of the markers and refines the facial structure, generating a 3D model that closely resembles my face. At this stage, I could overlay these two views to compare them. This overlay allows me to check how well the generated mesh aligns with my actual facial features. With my base metahuman ready, I moved into Metahuman Creator to refine and customize the details. With my custom metahuman finalized, I was ready to bring it into Unreal Engine 5 for animation and integration into my project. Now that the animation is processed, I can play it back to test it. I pressed play and I was able to see that my metahuman was speaking with the accurate lip sync animation. To create the blinking animation for my metahuman, I manually keyed a series of blinks with varying intensities in the sequencer. For the eye movement, I selected the control center eye in the facial control rig and disabled snapping to allow for smoother, more organic motion. And just like that, I rendered out my own metahuman.